definitely like to give some more information, or I want to take out certain points which are very, very, very important in terms of boosting the immunity. I'm sure everyone is stressed out because of all this corona thing which is happening, right? तो अगर आप ऐसे आपके मील स्किप करोगे, खाओगे ही नहीं, तो फिर आपका इम्यूनिटी नीचे जाएगा. तो आप क्या कर सकते हैं अभी? व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, लाइक वी हैव लॉट्स ऑफ टाइम, people are working from home, but still the travel time is not there, and every 5-10 minutes we are just going and sipping in the kitchen, कुछ मुंह में डाल दिया, ऐसा भी हो रहा है. So it is overeating also, and suddenly we remember or realize, oh, I don't want to do that, I'm going to diet, I want to control on my meals. तो वो किधर से गिल्ट फैक्टर भी आ जाता है, एंड देन वी आर टोटली कंफ्यूज एग्जैक्टली क्या करना है. तो फर्स्ट थिंग इज रेगुलराइज योर डेली रूटीन. मुझे पता है कि हम सब वर्क फ्रॉम होम के चक्कर में लॉग इन करके रखते हैं, एंड देन अगेन गो डू अवर वट एवर वर्क वी वांट टू डू. अगर सोसाइटी में अलाउड है तो वी गो आउट एंड देन अगेन कम बैक. तो कुछ ठिकाना नहीं रहा है जैसे हमारा एक पहले रूटीन. So please take a few minutes and just work on a proper daily routine. So never, never, never remember, never, never, never skip your breakfast. This is the thumb rule. Like after the fasting period of our sleep, night में जब हम minimum at least 7 to 8 hours का हमारा fasting हो जाता है. So after that, the body needs something to give the kick, to give that energy to improve the metabolism, and that is why the name itself is like a breakfast. So the breakfast is very, very important. Never, never, never skip that. तो अभी कैसा है, अगर आपको वेट का इशू है या आपके मन में जो डर है, आप थोड़े बहुत कार्बोहाइड्रेट कम कर सकते हैं यहाँ पे. तो जैसे अगर पहले आप फुल फ्लेजेड एक सीरियल बेस्ड ब्रेकफास्ट लेते थे, जैसे कि हमारा ट्रेडिशनल इंडियन फूड है, पोहा हुआ, उपमा हुआ, पराठा हुआ, so maybe you can cut down on that. You can just have one whole egg, because eating non-veg is actually, it will not create any problem. If you are vegetarian or by the XYZ reason if the non-veg food is not available, then you can have something like sprout, मूंग है, चना है, ये सब चीजें आप खा सकते हैं. मॉर्निंग में ये चीजें खाने से आपके इम्यूनिटी को भी एक अच्छा बूस्ट मिलेगा, बिकॉज ऑल दिस स्प्राउटेड लेग्यूम्स है या ऑल दिस स्प्राउट्स, they have all micronutrients also. So this will give protein as well as your micronutrients, and it will help to keep your immunity also good. Plus, it will give a good energy to start the day. With that, you can have a cup of milk or coffee, but ideally, empty stomach, you should not take tea or coffee. मतलब भले आपको एसिडिटी की दिक्कत है या नहीं है, it's always better that start your day with a warm water या नींबू पानी में या सादा पानी भी अगर आपने पिया, वो फर्स्ट मील होना चाहिए, एंड उसके बाद ब्रेकफास्ट होना चाहिए, राइट? So first, I think I skipped that point. Why that glass full of water or limbu pani is needed? So what happens is, when you have that as the first meal, the brain gets the signal that now something is going to come. I mean, the food is going to come. So as if हम exercise करने से पहले जब एक warm up करते हैं, and we prepare our body for exercise, this glass full of water does the same function. So be it with नींबू है, शहद है या सिनेमन है, उसका अलग अलग फंक्शन होता है, वो भी मैं बाद में बताऊंगी आपको. बट अगर कुछ भी नहीं है, तो दैट वन ग्लास फुल ऑफ वाटर इज गोइंग टू एक्चुअली मॉइस्चर ऑल योर जीआई सिस्टम. आपके बॉडी को वो प्रिपेयर करने वाला है फूड के लिए, एंड ऑल द डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस जो भी इम्पोर्टेंट होते हैं फॉर द डाइजेशन, एब्जॉर्प्शन, एसिमिलेशन, ये जो प्रोसेसेस है, ये सब प्रोसेसेस के लिए डाइजेस्टिव जूसेस आर नीडेड. So that juices are secreted. The brain को समझ जाता है कि अभी ये juices को secrete करना है, food आने वाला है. So this is the way we allow our body to even use all the nutrients whatever we eat. Otherwise क्या हो जाता है? Suddenly we have cup of tea या milk या जो भी अपना breakfast है, and the body is not prepared. The juices are not secreted. So in nutrition science, it is called as dumping syndrome. तो फटाक करके गुड अमाउंट ऑफ कैलोरीज आ गया, डंप हो गया, फिर उसमें से एब्जॉर्प्शन या सिमुलेशन की जो प्रोसेस होती है वो बराबर से नहीं होती है. तो हम एक सिंपल लैंग्वेज में बोलते हैं ना कि कितना भी खाए अंक को नहीं लगता है. तो इट्स लाइक यू डोंट गेट गुड न्यूट्रिशन फ्रॉम वॉट एवर यू आर हैविंग. So to avoid that simple trick, have a glass full of water before having any meal. Now as I told you कि cinnamon डालना है या नींबू डालना है, that I'll come to it later. Now what happens is, like as even in current situation, we are worried about our immunity, we are worried about other, if people have some things like diabetes है, hypertension है, तो उसका management कैसे करना है. So simply one pinch of cinnamon powder will again help you in boosting the metabolism. It helps in controlling your blood sugar levels. It helps in management of your hypertension. So one pinch of cinnamon डालने में कोई problem नहीं है until and unless you feel hyperacidic. See, there are people who have the tendency of developing acid. तो अगर अर्ली मॉर्निंग आप कोई भी गर्म चीज खाते हो तो दैट aggravates the acidity. तो यू हैव टू एनालाइज योरसेल्फ कि बाबा भाई मेरा बॉडी कैसे रिएक्शन करता है एक पर्टिकुलर चीज के ऊपर, एंड उसके हिसाब से आई हैव टू चूज दैट पर्टिकुलर सब्सटेंस. अगर आपको सिनेमन पाउडर नहीं सूट हो रहा है तो आप फ्लैक्स खा सकते हो. फ्लैक्स में भी ऑलमोस्ट वही फंक्शन है. इफ नॉट दैट यू कैन सिंपली स्क्वीज लेमन. You can just simply squeeze lemon. Even limbu has a very good vitamin C, which will also help in absorption of quite other different nutrients. तो ये सिंपल चीजें कर सकते हैं. वो भी नहीं चाहिए अगर आपको बहुत ही ज्यादा एसिडिटी है तो आप सब्जा भी डाल सकते हैं. सब्जा है, बस एक 5-10 मिनट उसको सोक करना है पानी में, एंड देन यू कैन यूज दैट एज वेल. तो ये हो गया हमारा स्टार्ट ऑफ द डे. देन as I told you, breakfast, try to choose a protein food over a carbohydrate rich or a cereal rich. Again, this is a condition wherein we do not have any other severe medical issues, like कभी भी कैसे होता है कि यूरिक एसिड बहुत ज्यादा है या गाउट है, तो उसमें हम प्रोटीन का रिक्वायरमेंट भी बहुत ही कम रखना पड़ता है. इफ नथिंग ऑफ दैट सॉर्ट, देन डेफिनेटली you can have good amount of sprouts with curd also. सुबह सुबह कर्ड खाने में भी कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. You can have that, will help in digestion, so that you can include. Now what happens is, आजकल एक बहुत बड़ा क्वेश्चन सब होम मेकर्स के ऊपर है कि घर में सब अलग अलग एज ग्रुप के बच्चे हैं. या पहले कैसा था, हमको फटाफट आधे घंटे में पूरा कुकिंग करके भागना है, तो हम सारा एकदम से cooking nahi karte the. Like lunch was like mostly packed lunch. So we used to just make roti sabji hai and we used to carry that in the tiffin, or we used to give tiffin away. But since now everyone is at home, then the cooking method or the menu is also changed, right? हम और करना चाहिए, मतलब my point is lunch should be the meal which should follow the principles of 4 square meal. Now why 4 square meal? Because we have different age groups at home, right? So everybody's requirement has to be considered, and this is not possible कि हर एक के लिए हम अलग अलग चीज कुक करें. तो एक चीज कर सकते हैं कि नॉर्मल जो हमारा एक इंडियन ट्रेडिशनल लंच है वो फुल फ्लेजेड हम कुक कर सकते हैं इन द मॉर्निंग. Meaning you can have roti, you can have rice, you can have a dal, you can have a dry sabji and a salad. It will take little more time than what it used to take, but believe me, that will actually provide all the macro and micronutrients. When I say macro, it means normal हमारा जो carbohydrates, proteins और fat है, and micro is all the minerals and vitamins, which at this point of time is very important to consume. तो वंस वी डू दैट, अगर बच्चे हैं घर में, अगर सीनियर सिटीजन है, तो उनकी भी जो रिक्वायरमेंट है वो पूरी हो जाएगी. Second advantage that we are going to get because of this quarantine period or lockdown period is, so lunch time is the time when all the digestive juices are at most active time. मतलब कैसा होता है कि यूजुअली हमारा वर्किंग शेड्यूल में कभी डिनर 1 बजे होता था, कभी 2 बजे, कोई कोई लोगों का मैंने देखा है कि कोई ठिकाना ही नहीं है, लाइक पीपल हु आर इन प्रोबेबली फील्ड वर्क है, या कभी 3 बजे खाते, या टीचिंग जॉब में भी थे या है, या आईटी में है। तो देर वाज मेरे दो टाइम फॉर लंच, तो कभी 1 बजे हुआ, कभी 4 बजे भी हुआ, बट अभी एटलीस्ट यू कैन गिव अ टेंटेटिव टाइम. So it is scientifically proven that during this time, so probably from 12:30 to 2:30, all the digestive juices are also at peak. हमारी जो अंदर की इंटरनल स्ट्रक्चर है वो भी फेवरेबल होती है, so that ये टाइम पे आप जितना भी न्यूट्रिशियस फूड खाओ, जितना भी बैलेंस डाइट कंज्यूम करो, वो ज्यादा से ज्यादा आपको एब्जॉर्प्शन करने में हेल्प करेगा. मतलब जैसे मैंने अभी थोड़ी देर पहले बोला था कि वो जो अंक को लगने का जो बोलते हैं हम मेथड और दैट प्रोसेस, that will be actually very much active and that will be very good at this particular time. So we can take that advantage कि इसमें हम इससे थोड़ा थोड़ा सा ज्यादा भी खा लिया ना, से बॉडी will be actually doing that maintenance, but don't over it. That does not mean that you over it. What I mean is that पहले आप लंच में सिर्फ रोटी सब्जी खा रहे थे, so no harm in having little bit of rice, no harm in having a bowl full of dal along with it. If non-veg food, again I'm saying, if non-veg food is available, I mean, because of this lockdown thing, many things are not available, or if they are available, we are not supposed to go out every day to buy our daily needs. तो जो भी आपके घर में है, जो भी स्टॉक में है, उसमें से यू कैन डू द वैरायटी. तो जितना कलरफुल आप बना सकते हो मील्स को, उतना एक्चुअली यू विल गेट ऑल दी न्यूट्रिएंट्स
Anuja,
इन गुड अमाउंट. यस.
Anuja, sorry interrupting. Can you increase your volume a bit?
ओके ओके. ओके सुप्रिया, नाउ बेटर.
Yes, much better.
Okay, okay. So what I was telling is that lunch time is the ideal time wherein you can actually include more of variety food, and that could take care of even all the different age groups who are there at our home. Then in the afternoon time, rather than just taking tea, coffee, we can actually include something like the traditional things like cherry panna, then kokum, and to avoid the loads of calorie, we can also make it in a salty preparation. Huh? I mean, you can approach me also later on. I can provide, or you can Google also. You without sugar, without honey, without good also, you can make very good, nice appetizers and fresh drink, which again at this point of time will help in boosting your immunity system, and at the same time the metabolic rate will be also in good elevated condition. So this is always very very important to have a mid meal after your lunch. Now this time green tea will also help, because green tea helps in digestion also. So I will not say have green tea just to lose fat. That is a myth basically. But if you have green tea after your meal, it will definitely help in again absorption of nutrients, and then there will not be extra fat depositions which otherwise might happen. तो ऐसा नहीं होता है कि ग्रीन टी पीने से फटाफट वेट लूज हो जाता है. आई मीन वी सी दैट इन एडवर्टाइजमेंट, बट that is unfortunately not true. So we have to do 10 other things to lose our weight. But at least at this time, when we're at home, we can have a green tea 2 hours, 3 hours after our lunch, and also add some protein food in with that. So that could be simple nuts. अगर आपके पास अभी घर में फ्लैक्स सीड्स है, सीजन सीड्स है, तिल है हमारा नॉर्मली, वो आप रोस्ट करके खा सकते हो. यू कैन हैव सिंपल पीनट. Yes, you can have. That will not increase your cholesterol. Nothing will happen. Just have it in right quantity, like just teaspoon. What we say, अपना feast day अपना एक ideal serving size होता है. So have chana, normal roasted chana, peanuts, which ideally should not be salted. तो घर में रोस्ट किया हुआ जो रहता है, that you can I can see a question, what is chia seed and what are the uses. Okay, I'll come to that question. So in this mid meal, you can include even this seeds also along with the green tea. And believe me, हम सब ने बचपन में गुड़ गुड़ चना या सिंग चना गुड़ ये कॉम्बिनेशन खाया होगा, राइट? Everybody, I guess, will agree with me. So it is the best combination to improve your hemoglobin, improve your immunity, because all the micronutrients are right present in this traditional magic food. तो वो घर पे बना के रखो, अलग अलग चना रखो, चना और सिंग का अगर आपको proportion चाहिए, proportion, तो 2:1, so 2 part of chana normal roasted chana and 1 part of sing. You can mix it or you can keep it separately also, but while taking this tentatively take it that see to it that you're taking more of chana and less of peanut, and add thoda sa like spoonful of jaggery into it and have that in the middle. This is best thing that we can even offer to our children, uh, preschoolers, teenagers, and that will definitely help, because वो छोटी सी पेट पूजा जो बोलते हैं, that will be also taken care of. For senior citizens, you can actually mix everything, churn it, the mixture, and make small laddu form. तो वो भी आप गुड़ के साथ, you don't need anything, घी नहीं चाहिए, कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए. Just put everything in the mixer and mix it out and पाउडर बनेगा, उसका छोटा छोटा लड्डू बना दो. इवन हमारे दादी नानी दादा दादी उन लोग भी ये खा सकते हैं. It's very good immunity booster for them also. I'll just take that question in between. दो क्वेश्चन मैंने देखे, what are methi seeds and chia seeds. So basically chia seed is from the family of sabja, Saffmaria, what we usually use in Faluda. But it has little better form of fiber and protein. So अगर आपको easily available है chia seeds, so you can include that. You can put it in salads. You can just help it early in the morning. It is a good functional food. When we say functional food, which means that you need that food in lesser quantity, but it has very long lasting effect. And methi seeds is basically everyone knows that that is used as a spices, and it has a very good you can say capacity to manage the blood sugar. So those people who are facing problem in management of blood sugar level can definitely include methi seeds in the diet. And okay, I'm seeing one question. I'll answer that later. Fried fruits and nuts coated with jaggery. Vitamin, business food.
Anuja, I will help you
Yeah.
read out all the questions. There were 1, 2 questions above also.
Yeah,
Please
that will
continue.
be better because it is just flashing and going
I
away.
would help you.
Okay, so what I'll do, Supriya, I'll answer all the questions later. Let me just finish this routine and then I can take questions. Is that okay?
Yes, yes. Very much, very much.
Okay, good. Okay, great. ओके, तो इस आपको समझा होगा कि मैं स्टेप बाय स्टेप जा रही हूँ रूटीन की तरफ. तो अभी हमारा ब्रेकफास्ट हो गया, फिर हमारा लंच भी हो गया है. देन वी हैड अ नाइस मिड मील ऑफ ग्रीन टी एंड सम नट्स एंड ड्राई फ्रूट. तो उसके बाद वाला जो मील है, जो मेजोरिटी ऑफ अस वी टेंड टू स्किप, जब भी हम घर पे है, अभी जब भी हम ऑफिस में जाते थे, because what happens is towards the end we are in the rush of winding up, and we forget that that this time also the body needs certain energy and calories and nutrients to keep it going. And then what happens is once we skip this evening meal, we are very hungry by the time the dinner time comes. And fortunately again, this is, I think, history में पहले ही हुआ होगा that we have a chance to eat dinner earlier, right? I'm sure everyone will agree, क्योंकि पहले because of the long working hours or traveling time हमारा डिनर कभी जल्दी नहीं हुआ है. So I will in fact request everyone कि जितना पॉसिबल है उतना ये टाइम में you try to have your dinner as early as possible. जितना पॉसिबल है उतना आप जल्दी ले लो. अब जैसे मैंने पहले बोला था कि lunch should be the proper 4 square meal during this particular time. Now remember, this is the trick that you can do the weight management thing. Dinner should be the lightest. You will say कि हाँ सबको पता है वो, so everyone does that. But don't skip anything. What I mean to say that include all the nutrients, but little lesser in the quantity, and at the same time try to include um, complex carbohydrates. Right now, what are complex carbohydrates? जैसे हमारा जवारी है, बाजरा है, नाचनी है. So you can actually make like a one meal thing. So it is easier for homemakers also to make it. Plus it again fulfills the requirement of entire family. और सुबह जैसे मैंने बोला कि थोड़ा ज्यादा टाइम लगे तो भी सही है, बट आप हर चीज अलग अलग से बनाओ तो बेटर है. Even kids are getting you can say थोड़ा motivated to eat different things at one meal. तो वो लंच में हम कर सकते हैं. तो डिनर में आई वुड लाइक टू गिव यू सर्टन स्मार्ट ऑप्शन कि जो आपका एक वन मील भी हो जाएगा एंड इजी टू कुक ऑल्सो, इजी टू डाइजेस्ट ऑल्सो, एंड यू विल नॉट एंड अप गेटिंग हेवियर इन द मॉर्निंग, फ्लोटिंग फीलिंग हो रहा है. तो ये थोड़ी चीजें हैं जो फटाफट आप नोट भी कर सकते हैं. दलिया खिचड़ी इज द बेस्ट थिंग दैट यू कैन हैव, वेरी फिलिंग एंड वेरी टेस्टी ऑल्सो. What you can do is take dalia. Dalia is lapsi, that is broken wheat. I'm sure everyone must be knowing it. Maybe थोड़ा नाम इधर उधर होगा हर एक कास्ट में या हर एक इसमें ट्रेडिशन में, बट इट इज कॉल्ड एज ब्रोकन व्हीट. गेहूं का रवा जो बोलते हैं, गेहूं का चावल है, गेहूं का रवा बोलते हैं उसको. तो now what happens is it has more fiber than normal wheat, right? So you can make khichdi out of it. How you can make it? Take half part of dalia and one part of, I mean double of the quantity. You can take moong dal. Now in moong dal also you can do combination of the yellow and the green one. Green split dal has more fiber than the yellow one. So what my idea is, डिनर में आप जितना फाइबर इंक्लूड कर सकते हो उतना आपका वेट लॉस प्रोसेस के लिए अच्छा है. So you can do that with lots of vegetables in it and good spices. Don't make it bland if you like spicy food. So what you can do is you can use different vegetables, like one day अगर आपने पाव भाजी के सब vegetables उसमें ऐड किए तो use that पाव भाजी वाला मसाला kind of thing, make it more palatable. Or you can मेक इट लाइक अ बिरयानी थिंग. कभी आप बहुत पानी से उसको थोड़ा सॉफ्ट बना सकते हो, कभी आप उसको थोड़ा बिरयानी स्टाइल में थोड़ा सा तड़का ज्यादा स्पाइसी देके वैसा बना सकते हो. बट मेन उसका प्रपोर्शन सेम होना चाहिए, दैट दलिया विल बी हाफ और उसके डबल पोर्शन में आप दाल का पोर्शन ले लोगे. Now dal you can keep on changing also. Sometimes you can take chana dal, tuar dal, and moong ka, two types of dal. Even masoor dal, lentil dal you can use. Then you can make oats ka dosas, oats dosas. Now oats and normal rava you can mix it. थोड़ा सा थोड़ा देर मतलब उसको तुम mix it and soak it for at least 3 to 4 hours. Don't no need to ferment and all like normal traditional dosa. Just do it like 3 to 4 hours and then add whatever vegetables you wish to add and make good dosas. You can make idlis out of it also. That is your choice. So consistency में सिर्फ थोड़ा सा changes करना पड़ेगा. And इडली के लिए सिर्फ थोड़ा सा आपको उसमें सोडा डालना पड़ता है, which I ideally don't recommend. So instant अगर करना है so try to use this mixer and make dosa. If you want to make idlis, then what you can do is you can make a mixture of all dal and उसमें थोड़ा सा puffed rice, अपना जो पोहा रहता है, that you put and then make idlis out of it. That is also the excellent recipe. Not no much of rice, and you can because of the more of dals and just poha. Even night time it is filling, and you can have it with sambar or chutney. That is your wish. Another recipe is typical nachni porridge. That also you can make it in like a salty preparation without adding good and all. So how you can make it? You can just roast nachni flour, add onions if you want, or tomatoes, whatever vegetables if you wish to add. Then put uh, buttermilk uh, along with water. I mean, what you can do is you can make a very watery buttermilk kind of a thing, and then cook the flour in that buttermilk. So it will be like a semi-solid or liquid consistency, and it is a quickly made dish. And kids also love it. You can actually put a bit of ghee into it. Yes, you can definitely have a teaspoon of ghee. no worries adding one or two teaspoon of ghee in your diet. So it will go very nicely. If you want to make it more spicy, you can put little bit of fresh um, uh, lasun, what we say, spring garlic. So that also gave very nice and spicy taste to this particular dish. Or else you can make. I mean, you can actually make lot of dishes with oats and other things. Or if you don't want to do that, you can simply make bhakri. What in Maharashtra we call bhakri is ideally a roti made out of jawar, bajra, whatever complex flour I just mentioned. And along with only one protein sabji you can make. Protein sabji means what? Either it is a sprout or it is a non-veg, if it is again available and allowed. And or else even simple besan ka, uh, like in Maharashtrians we make it like a pitla, or in Gujaratis we make it like a dal dhokli. So this kind of preparation wherein the dominant prominent nutrient is protein, that is dal hoga, pulses hoga, legumes honge या non-veg होगा, and along with that one complex carb. Do not keep it totally, right? Until and unless the thing is balanced, don't totally skip cereals in the night. Have it as early as possible, and then at the bedtime, just have a cup of cow's milk along with 1 teaspoon of haldi. Now, why haldi milk, turmeric milk is very very important. Again, in this particular season, it helps in boosting the immunity. And obviously, last but not the least, at least half an hour to 45 minutes to 1 hour as per the other time schedule and the personal changes, individual differences. You need to do workouts or activity, home activity. Do not go out. Please follow the rules and regulations put by government. But that 30 to 40 minutes, 45 minutes activity is also sufficient to reach your health goal. So this was like an entire 1 day का पूरा हमने routine कर लिया है. Over and above this, please tell me what individual questions you have. I would love to answer.
All right. Let me read it out. So there were
Yeah.
two questions from Gauri Madam. The earlier belief was that carbs help release slow energy in our body. How true is that?
Complex carbs. Sorry.
The earlier belief was that
Uh-huh.
help
The voice is cracking.
carbohydrates. They were
Uh-huh.
to release slow energy in body. Is that right?
No. See, carbohydrates is the main source of energy. So they're like, if you compare rice and roti, both are carbohydrates. But rice is the moment you eat it, instant amount of energy is produced instantly because there is no fiber. As compared to that, wheat will take much more time to digest and develop or generate that much of energy. And the other cereals like jawar, bajra, and ragi, which we call as complex carbohydrates, will take still much longer period to digest and eliminate that much amount of energy. So in the night, it is better to have a complex carbohydrate that we want the energy to be liberated in packets. Like we don't want a peak of or a high amount of energy releasing at one go. So that's the reason you can avoid rice in certain like the current situation in the night, but please include that in the lunch because that is equally important.
Superb. And then there was an interesting question again by her. That is mung chilla okay in dinner? Because you
Yeah, so
insisted on proteins.
so mung chila is perfectly fine. Try to add some salad into it, or I mean vegetables into it, or salad separately, so that even you fulfill your salad quota.
Lovely. Gauri ma'am, does that answer your question? Please reply in the chat box.
Best, best
Lovely.
time to eat fruits. Yeah, very good question. See, ideally, fruit should not be combined with the meal because then you don't get the entire goodness of it. So ideally, it is best to have as a mid meal. So जैसे people now the mango season will come, people would love to have ras roti, but एक season में एक या दो बार खाना चलेगा, Even my diabetic patient, they enjoy eating mangoes, but add it in the mid meals, like either ब्रेकफास्ट के बाद, लंच से पहले जो बीच वाला 11 बजे का गैप होता है, या तो फिर इवनिंग 4 o'clock, एंड हैव इट एज अ फ्रूट, एनी फ्रूट। आई मीन ये मैंगो का मैंने पहले बोल दिया, बट एनी अदर फ्रूट ऑल्सो हैव इट इन द फुल होल फॉर्म। इवन इफ यू मेक अ स्मूदी, डू नॉट स्ट्रेन, उसको फिगर नहीं करना है, so then you get all the good nutrients, which again this is a need of the hour today.
True. So the next question was, can diabetic patient eat jaggery?
Yeah. See now what happens is this: jaggery, honey, and sugar all have same calories and even glycemic index. मतलब जो capacity होता है blood sugar increase करने का, वो almost same है. So if you are on medicine, you are a known diabetic, I would suggest that do not have it as a substitute. कि sugar नहीं है लेकिन jaggery चलता है, that is the wrong concept. Yes, but जैसे कि हर एक person का every diabetic person would know कि मेरा शुगर ज्यादा कभी है एंड लो कभी है. I mean, if you are a diabetic, you know that early morning मेरा शुगर डाउन होता है. So this is because of the practice and monitoring that I do with my clients. I know that this my particular client has a low sugar, blood sugar in the morning. तो तभी हम उसको थोड़ा सा जैगरी वहाँ पे इंक्लूड कर सकते हैं. बट मैं रैंडम जनरली सबको ये रिकमेंड नहीं करूंगी, बिकॉज उसका भी ब्लड शुगर इंक्रीज करने का कैपेसिटी ऑलमोस्ट ही सेम है. तो इवन द मार्केट में जो भी शुगर फ्री स्वीट्स वगैरह मिलता है ना, दैट इज एक्चुअली नॉट गुड. इट विल डेफिनेटली इंक्रीज द ब्लड शुगर लेवल.
Lovely. So moving to the next question, that was a question by Skin Vasara. I don't know. I am unable to pronounce you. If you have got the answer, please say yes in the window.
Yeah.
Lovely. They have. Okay. So there is another question. Dried fruits and nuts coated with jaggery with any seasonal fruits. Is it advisable?
से ना जितना हम कम प्रोसेस खाएंगे ना, उतना वो बेटर होगा. नाउ ड्राई फ्रूट्स हम वैसे भी खा सकते हैं. मतलब आई पर्सनली तो इवन डोंट रेकमेंड द सॉल्टेड वर्जन ऑफ ड्राई फ्रूट. तो जो आप जितना नट्स से खाओगे उतना एब्जॉर्प्शन बेटर होगा. सिर्फ चना और गुड़ का मैंने क्यों साथ में बोला, दैट बिकॉज ऑल combined effect of all these three things.
That is not processed. That's not processed.
That is not processed, and they togetherly they have a good effect on hemoglobin. But dry fruits में और nuts में, as it is everything, it's a whole compact food. So my recommendation would be have it the way they are. Probably you can soak almonds in the night and have it in the morning just to improve the absorption. But that also without peeling. Have it with the peel. So that would in fact give you better absorption power.
Lovely.
Rather than going for this coated one.
Rajiv, does that answer? Please reply in the chat box.
Yeah. Yes, I've got the reply. Thank you.
All right, super. Next question is, how is black tea in place of green tea? How can a black tea replace a green tea?
See, black tea, green tea, or I would say all the variety of teas, whether it is a CTC tea or a green tea, they are loaded with antioxidants. Even normal tea has good amount of antioxidants. Let me be very honest on this. Yeah, but green tea has better version of antioxidants, which will help us in keeping our immunity level up to the mark. Now the reason is why that particular person wants to have black coffee. मतलब क्या होगा कि see, any food, the right quantity, right time और आपका पर्पस क्या है. अगर आपको प्री वर्कआउट में कुछ लेना है तो आपको ब्लैक टी भी हेल्प करेगा, ब्लैक कॉफी भी हेल्प करेगा. अगर आपको डाइजेशन इंप्रूव करना है तो ग्रीन टी विल बी बेटर. सो इफ आई कुड अंडरस्टैंड कि रिप्लेसमेंट, व्हाई द पर्सन वांट्स टू मेक द रिप्लेसमेंट बिटवीन or make the choice between green tea and black tea, then I think I would be able to answer it in much better way.
Krishnan ji, please unmute yourself and clarify, or else if we can take it offline also, because there are a lot of questions which have flooded.
Sure. Thanks for answering, ma'am.
Yeah, Krishnan ji, we will definitely come back to you. Just give me some time.
Appreciate.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
Yeah.
So the next question is, how do we intake flax seeds, by soaking or by grinding?
I would again say have it as it is in the raw form. See, जितना कोई भी food, especially these functional foods. Again, I'm saying functional foods. मतलब ये जो भी pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, they are highly loaded with good micronutrients. तभी जो हमारी जरूरतें पूरी करती है, and that helps in absorption of many other nutrients. But इसको आप जितना प्रोसेस करेगो, हीट ट्रीटमेंट दोगे, उसको सोक करोगे, तो उसका न्यूट्रिएंट लेवल डैमेज हो सकता है. तो फ्लैक्सीड्स ऑल्सो अगर आपको रोस्ट करना है तो भी एकदम हल्का सा, हार्डली फॉर अ मिनट और सो, नॉट इवन अ मिनट आई वुड से, मतलब उसका कलर भी चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए एंड उसका टेक्सचर भी चेंज नहीं होना चाहिए. उतना टाइम पे आप जस्ट उसको, एक हम बोलते हैं ना कि थोड़ा सिर्फ उसको गर्म होने दीजिए, and then you can consume it like that. You can mix all the seeds by separately roasting just for few seconds, then mix them all together and then have it. It will give you a much better effect because combination of everything will provide you all the macronutrients.
So since we are already talking about tea,
just a minute, Supriya. I will just write in continuation. Flax seeds को अगर आपने powder भी किया ना तो भी चलेगा. The what you can say, raw seeds को powder कर सकते हो, but if you will mix that in water, it will not dissolve. तो ना practically ये मैंने देखा है. Then what happens is वो once you put it in the water, वो float होता है ऊपर ही. So to avoid that, अगर आपको powder करना है, the mixing will be much better in the blood, but have water along with it. मतलब powder खा के raw seeds का powder, again I'm making this point clear, raw seeds का powder बना के have the seeds का powder, have warm water along with that, then that will give a better mixing and absorption.
You please keep your mouthpiece near only so that we hear you very clearly. Right? Yes. Thank you so much. So moving to the next question, where were we? 7 to 7:30 p.m. Is this the correct time for dinner?
I mean, that will be highly appreciated. 7:30, 8 o'clock also, because 7 to 8 will be the time for early dinner.
Lovely. There is a generation, this young generation loves a lot of noodles. So the question is, how many hours does noodle take to digest? Is it good or bad for health? And if how many times we should eat in a month?
अगर मेरा बस चला तो मैं मैदा प्रोडक्ट्स टोटली कट आउट कर दूंगी डाइट से. See, ideally we do not get any kind of nutrients from any kind of maida products, and all these noodles, and I know kids are at home so they need variety. Believe me, even if you take this brown bread and oats noodles and all these fancy items, we are unnecessarily spending more thinking that we are buying good things. First of all, see, any maida and maida products will not give you any nutrients. It's highly processed. So first and foremost, I will not recommend it. अगर आपको देना ही है फिर भी बच्चों को, तो आप just once a month ये चीज रख सकते हो, not more than that. You can include rice noodles. When we say no to one thing, I always like to give an option. So rice noodles, you can, yes, you can give them rice noodles. Maybe you can make it in little fancy form, and that will taste like noodle. It will take time to them to digest the taste, but once they are habituated, they'll also appreciate.
Flaxseed powder in smoothie in the morning, does that work? The recent question.
Yes, it is helpful, but again, plain powder along with warm water, which will be much more effective.
Is it tasty? Flaxseed in smoothie?
It's, I think, I feel कि वो शायद गलत होता है इसके लिए. Because flaxseed ज़्यादा tasty नहीं है.
हाँ, taste is important.
मतलब समझ में नहीं आता है इसके लिए. अगर आपको बच्चों को उल्लू बनाना है तो आप उनको ऐसा कर सकते हो. Even you can use it as a salad dressing. Yes, they can make it as a salad dressing also.
Cool. So the next question is, what if I'm outside office, not in this time, but then otherwise, if we are outside office, and if I can't prepare four square meal during lunch, then what is it that I should do?
Lunch. So that is the answer is there in our all traditional dishes. जैसे हमारा एक combination करने का tradition है बहुत सारे caste में, जैसे कोबी with मूंग का दाल है, दूधी with चना का दाल है. So what we are doing is sabjis lack in protein and dals are good source of protein. So we do this combination. So any vegetable you can combine with any kind of dal and you can take it in the lunch. And if available, you can always include a boiled egg to improve the protein content or the as a supplementation. You can include a boiled egg in the lunch time if you're a vegetarian.
Lovely. Now the question was the next question is exactly on what you just said, that during this contaminated season is non-veg or eggs good for the for us and for children?
See, कैसा है ना अभी ये सब चीज के ऊपर there are different views which are coming. Some beliefs are coming. Even I am not the person who has all the knowledge about this do's and don'ts. But it
Absolutely,
is
not the
said
doctors.
from authorities that non-vegetarian food are not the source of contamination. So you can properly cook the food, non-veg food, and you can consume it. So if it is available, I mean, I'm sure everything is available. Only the thing is we have to store it and
No, there was
see
a
to it that
time right
we are
now.
not.
Anuja, I'm sorry, I'm interrupting, but then if that
No
if
problem.
current statement what you made, if that is not the source of contamination, then the market is right now not
Yeah.
producing good amount of non-veg. Neither the eggs is right readily available.
Yeah, but Supriya, then same thing is there in fruits also. We have apples with wax coating. We have milk which is adulterated. So then there is nothing which is available in pure state, right? So
Agree.
somewhere we have to choose. If possible, go with the branded thing, or I mean, if the vendor that is cutting the fresh animal and giving it to you in properly hygienic condition, then you can definitely have non-veg, no problem.
Lovely, superb. Jinke questions are getting addressed, please keep stating it in the chat box if you are happy with the answers, or is there something else that you want? Okay, the next question
Yeah,
is.
I think there was a
Yes. What there was? Thank you. Okay.
diabetic people, I guess.
Diabetic patient can eat mango in the morning.
Diabetic people can have each and everything except sugar, jaggery, and honey. Even mangoes it's very good. It's very rich in potassium. Will provide all the micronutrients, but the time. So you can have it in the mid meal, and see that actually that is again an individualized question. But what I usually recommend is have 3 to 4 pieces of one mango at one go. So then the blood sugar level will be maintained.
Lovely. So according to Gauri ma'am, we can have gouty chicken than the broiler ones. Lovely. Okay, so moving to the next question, would it be possible to give a list of high protein or purine foods that we need to avoid for uric acid?
Yeah, say uric acid, again, it is the condition which I have seen in my practices coupled with many other factors also. So again, that becomes a highly individualized question. I'll appreciate that if I know the case in person, then I will be able to answer. But
Super.
on
So
an
I'm going
average,
to
you
connect
can
you
have
to
little
the
bit of milk.
yeah. Krishnan sir and
Yeah.
Aman sir, the ones
Would
who
be
had this personalized question, we can connect to Anuja offline and take it ahead. All
yes,
right,
I'll
moving to the
definitely
next
help.
thing. If somebody wants to lose weight, what should we eat in
Mhm.
dinner?
First of all, please eat proper dinner. Now, again, this is kind of individualistic because what happens is every individual is different. Now, even if I want to plan a dinner for two like twins, it will be actually the requirement will be different. But if I have to just generally answer this question, the things which I mentioned during my talk, like complex carbohydrates with a good protein, will be ideal combination for dinner.
Lovely. All right. So the next
If
question
say
was.
if you fulfill your requirement in other meals, then you can just have a soup and salad kind of a thing also. So even like I provide lots of recipes, so my soups are also high protein soups. So you can make something like this, and then you can use that as a dinner.
Yeah, and Amit and your daughter both are the brand ambassadors of your diet, and I've been
Yes,
lively
they,
seeing that.
they are my guinea pigs also.
So people are very inquisitive to know if you have prepared a diet plan where you
Uh-huh.
can tell what are do's and don'ts and how do you do it.
The
Have you
process,
prepared anything like this?
you do you mean to ask how do I give diet?
Have you prepared a diet plan? Like, do you give a
Uh,
diet chart
yeah,
to us
yeah,
and say, "इतने बजे ये
obviously,
खाओ
yes,
and
yes.
do
So
this"?
it's a very individualized diet pattern that I recommend. So first, the medical history is taken. Then even the parental history and everything is taken. Then parameters are checked. If they are not available, then I mean I use the latest technology. We have all the formulation, and then that gives us how much calories to be given, how much would be the carbohydrate percentage, how much would be the fat percentage, depending upon the activity also. So everything is analyzed, and then the diet chart is prepared. Now, once the diet chart is given, ideally the person has to follow that for at least 2 to 3 weeks, and after that the follow-up session happens. I mean that because you need to change the diet. It is not कि एक ही diet आपको मिल गया तो आप वो जिंदगी भर follow कर सकते हो. So I need to be behind. I mean, actually be behind their life and state with that they follow it because Supriya, that मेरे लिए देना बहुत I mean बहुत easy है,
I know you. I
but
know you.
it has to be practicable also. So the things are very much taken into consideration, the minute things, who cooks at home, I mean what is possible, what is not possible, everything is analyzed, and then
So
the
now people
plan
are
is made.
wanting to know where are your recipes dumped. Are they dumped on YouTube? या तुम्हारे घर के
uh,
खजाने में ढूंढना पड़ेगा.
no, no. So, see, though, ideally, when I give the diet plan, I attach the recipe along with that. So, if I plan a smoothie for somebody, then I'll I'll send the recipe along with that. Ideally,
Lovely.
it is that.
Lovely. Ramesh, I'm coming to your question. Before that, we have a couple of questions. And Rajiv ji, thank you so much for asking the question that even I had. People in the market, Anuja, are selling a lot of dietary supplements, weight loss
Right.
medicines, fat loss medicines. How relevant and how effective are they?
Right. See, the question is not about effectiveness. They are effective, but just let me understand or let me know, like, are you going to do it lifelong? अगर आप कोई meal replacement shake भी ले रहे हो, आप क्या जिंदगी भर वो ले पाने वाले हो क्या? First of all, because I know that they are definitely not that cheap also, and even the availability is the problem sometimes. So what happens is अगर आप कोई भी आर्टिफिशियल एंड नेचुरल चीज अगर अडेप्ट कर रहे हो तो बॉडी डेफिनेटली उसके ऊपर कोई ना कोई रिएक्शन देने वाला है. एंड वंस यू स्टॉप दैट, लाइक आपने 6 महीना तक डिनर को रिप्लेस कर दिया, आई एम श्योर 6 महीने के बाद यू विल बी फेड अप ड्रिंकिंग दोज मिल्क शेक्स एंड ऑल. एंड वंस यू आर बैक इन टू द नॉर्मल रूटीन, द सिस्टम लिटरली कोलैप्स. मतलब मैंने 17 साल के मेरे प्रैक्टिस में ये चीज जरूर देखी है that बाद में दिस पीपल हैव सीवियर जीआई डिस्टर्बेंसेस. मतलब नॉर्मल रोटी भी डाइजेस्ट नहीं होती है बिकॉज सिस्टम को आदत नहीं है. तो मेरी आप सबको यही एक रिक्वेस्ट होगी. So we have decent ways of doing it in scientific way, wherein you adapt the thing as a lifestyle, and there are no side effects. I mean, losing weight is not everything. Being fit is more important. So weight loss to happen hoga, it will come as a byproduct. Once you balance your nutrients, I have seen people are, I mean, obese people, they try to follow something like this, intermittent fasting है या दूसरा कुछ है, then they develop too much of deficiencies. So deficiencies जब भी हो जाते हैं, then that becomes a root cause of many other health problems. So जिसका कोई फिर solution नहीं है, then you become a lifelong diabetic patient or any other things like osteoporosis है. तो वो चीज फिर diet से भी कभी recover नहीं होगी या उससे cure नहीं होगी. So rather than doing that, have good food, enjoy your life, have proper nutrients, and then weight loss will actually come as a byproduct. Believe me.
Lovely. So the ones who are asking for any sort of diet plan, I repeat, guys, Anuja had been repeatedly telling this, that she will need to monitor your history and your current body state, and accordingly in your lifestyle for sure. And then accordingly she'll have to suggest you anything. So I guess
See,
the ones who have asked for
yeah.
any sort of diet plan, I don't think this generalistic diet plan can work and wonders for you. So I
Right.
request ki offline we can anytime connect Anuja, and then you can from there you can take it ahead to your customized thing.
सुप्रिया, I just want to एक मतलब से बोलना है, like this intermittent fasting, ketogenic diet.
Yeah,
Being a sports nutritionist, I have given this kind of diet. It's ऐसा नहीं है कि I'm totally against it. But when we give, even GM diet I've given, and successful people have done it. But when we give such diets, we monitor. We are a team. So we monitor that client. ऐसा नहीं है कि एक गूगल कर लिया, मेरा हाइट डाला, वेट डाला, मुझे कीटो का डाइट प्लान मिल गया. That is not the case. When we are doing keto diet, I mean, let me just tell कि ketogenic diet is a high fat, moderate protein and low carbohydrate diet. And once you do that, blood test करना पड़ता है to confirm that whether the body is actually gone into that ketosis. तो अगर पहले की मेडिकल हिस्ट्री क्या है वो सब देखना होता है. इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग ऑल्सो अगर देना है, सी ऑल दिस डाइट प्लान्स आर, आई विल नॉट से कि दे आर टोटली बैड. They are good. There is a reason why they exist. But you should say that are you a good candidate or are you the right candidate to follow that? And if you want to do that, please do it under a proper person who is going to monitor, who is going to support. And then because क्या होता है, then you start it and then middle of nowhere then you just leave that, and then that
agree.
is the problem. Then you bounce back or other health issues may
I
come.
know I've seen some cases. I would want to just share one thing here. When I was a kid and in school, I've seen some very near and dear one doing a strict
Mm-hmm.
diet and also doing some inch loss, weight loss. And post that,
Mm-hmm.
unfortunately, she could not conceive.
Oh,
And
right.
then, she had to compromise on her motherhood. So that's a
Hmm.
bigger thing that I have seen. So I don't think, guys, without any experts like Anuja
Right.
monitoring you closely, no one should take risk at your health for sure.
Yeah, every individual is different. So somebody works
Absolutely.
for somebody may not be everything, हमारे लिए भी
Absolutely.
होगा.
Absolutely. So moving to the next, sugar-free sweets and chocolates have magitol or sugar
Have
sorry if I'm
it's
pronouncing
yeah
it
yeah
wrong. Please,
yeah.
I beg your pardon. A sugar alcohol with a glycemic index of 53. So it doesn't really help. Milind sir, ये आप ही थे.
If
इतने
you,
valuable
again you
words.
could connect me personally, I'll have to then I'll be better answering this
Cool.
question.
Milind sir, I'm getting you connected to Anuja for sure. The first thing I'll do that. Yeah. As due to traffic
Yeah.
issues, Pune, Ranjangaon, MIDC employees in evening many times, we return home by 9. So we take light dinner at 9:45, but increases acidity of the body. So we are not eating rice and dinner. Please advise about avoid acidity.
So acidity क्या चीज है? First of all ये हमको जानना पड़ेगा, because acidity is just a symptom. Why that acidity is happening? There are a bundle of reasons, a bunch of reasons behind that. So we need to analyze it. Sometimes what happens is if you don't eat for a longer time, your digestive juices itself they turn into acid, and then they cause acidity. So the best thing is not to modify one meal, but it is actually in need of modifying the entire routine. Take out on their hydration. Use good natural antacid foods like aloe vera, tulsi, mint. You can make a detox water like good quality plastic bottle या कांच के bottle में carry a water जिसमें आप सब्जा सीड्स डाल सकते हो, मिंट के लीव्स, तुलसी के लीव्स अच्छे से धो के क्रश करके डाल सकते हो, and keep on sipping that water. So that is, since these all things are natural antacids, that it will not allow your body to secrete or go into that acidic zone. And don't make too much of gap. So ये जो मैंने अभी टाइमली शेड्यूल बताया, even that will help in releasing that. Now अगर आपका 9:45 के आसपास डिनर है, So again, just don't only just have protein, because sometimes even high protein food may cause acidity. So do a best combination of good complex carbohydrates along with protein. And before sleeping, have a cup of cold milk along with sabja or chia seeds. That will help in relieving acidity.
Lovely, superb. So the tea lovers like me have certain questions for you. So how many tea or milk do you suggest in a day for a tea lover like me?
You're asking about tea or asking about milk?
हाँ तो दोनों का अलग अलग आंसर कर दो यार, doesn't matter.
See, daily requirement of protein we have to first understand, and then we have to divide कि इसमें से milk and milk products में कितना कितना amount will be covered by milk and milk products. रही बात चाय की, चाय ले सकते हो, but see to it that you are not overdoing it, because again that
So what
could
is
be
over? 2 times, 3 times के बाद it is over. Yeah, what is over?
two times is fine. Maybe what you can do is you can if you are habit addicted, I will say, then वो 2 कप आप 6 बार लो, ना कि आप 6 बार 6 कप लो. Are you getting my point? You reduce the quantity, so
Okay.
you get
So is
that
there any
feel.
mls that you will want to suggest us?
See, 100 ml, मतलब जो उडुपी होटल में जो कप होता है ना, that is the ideal serving size of tea. So 100 to 150 ml.
So 100 to 150 ml a day.
2 times, yes. 2 times you can have. Like 1 cup is 100 ml, so 200 ml to 50 ml maximum.
Lovely. So 200
See,
ml
there is
a
a
day
way
is
how
good for
to
us.
make tea, Supriya. Don't boil tea in water for a much longer time. So you add milk, water, a little bit of sugar, whatever you want, and boil that. Then once you put the tea powder into it, then do not keep on boiling it. So just 2 to 3 boils and put the gas off. That is how
Why is
you.
that so?
So sorry.
Why?
Because if you boil that for longer time, the tannins get liberated. Like in coffee we have caffeine, जैसे टी में tannins होते हैं. अगर ये tannins बहुत boil करने के बाद ही मतलब liberate होते हैं, and these tannins are very harmful in a way, or they hinder the absorption of other nutrients. तो अगर आप कम boil किया हुआ चाय पीते हो, तो in fact it will give you a almost similar effect of having a green tea. बट अगर आप बहुत बॉइल किया हुआ चाय पीते हो, उकाड़ा जो चाय हम बोलते हैं, कड़क चाय, but that will actually hamper the absorption of other nutrients.
All right. So tea has hypoglycemic properties which are destroyed by adding milk. Isn't that why green tea and black tea are better than chai?
Yes, that is one thing. But again, I'll tell you there are pros and cons to every coin. So it's not that green tea is also completely healthy food. If you overdo of that, that also has its own side effects, or you might even end up having acidity. So everything in liberation is the right answer or the key of
All
this.
right. So
So
last
Priya, are we running
2-3 small
short
short
of time?
questions,
Yeah.
Anuja. So soybean nuggets are nutritious or not?
Yeah, soya is a good type of protein, but if you are a non-vegetarian, non-veg source is much more healthier. Soybean comes classification-wise class 2 kind of protein, but it is good for vegetarians. So rather than having entire soybean as मतलब जो हम sprout में खाते हैं, या people mix that with wheat flour of chapati, उससे अच्छा है कि आप nuggets खाओ. They are defatted and the inhibitors are removed out, so they are better absorbed.
Lovely, superb. Tulsi seeds and sabja seeds, are they same?
Chia seeds, na? Chia seeds and
Tulsi and
sabja.
sabja.
Which one?
Tulsi and
Tulsi.
sabja.
No, they are totally different. Tulsi seeds are, originated by Tulsi tree, and sabja and chia, they are from the same family, but the properties are almost the same. They are anti what you can say acidity. They'll help you to. They'll have good fiber. Chia seeds has much more protein than the other two, but all are good.
So now we want you to just share two things with us. One, where are your recipes, and where can we find those recipes that you were talking about?
Yeah, recipes, you need to connect to me personally, depending upon your diet requirement, the recipes
Correct,
are given.
correct. All right, we are going to connect for your secret recipes for sure. And the other thing is, people are
Yes.
wanting to wanting you to please share if there are any do's and don'ts in diets. If you have a chart of do's and don'ts, so if you can share that with us, Anuja, I would share with all the participants who were present today.
I will try to give this 10 points which
If you
I
can,
started
nothing like it.
discussing.
Whoever had
That
joined
could
in,
be,
we
yes.
would we would
So
definitely
that will be like a Chirayu's top 10 pointers to keep you fit. Just
super.
before ending, I want to highlight on these 3 points. See, any kind of health management. I mean, we have kept the subject as speedometer or fatometer, but always it is better to be fitter than just to lose weight. So nobody wants to lose anything, right? हम अगर हमारी कुछ चीज खोती है तो हमको अच्छा नहीं लगता है, right? So that let that lost thing come as a byproduct. We have to focus on being or getting fitter. आप आपका जो fitness level है, every person will be having different fitness, but कल के fitness से आपका आज का fitness ज्यादा होना चाहिए. And for that, 3 things are very very important: is structured diet, focus training, and rest. तो ये 3 चीज जब भी बैलेंस होगी तभी आपका हेल्थ गोल राइट डायरेक्शन में अचीव होने वाला है. तो
Nice.
स्ट्रक्चर्ड डाइट है, ऐसे नहीं कि रैंडमली कुछ भी करो. या अभी ऐसे भी लोग मैंने देखे जो सुबह से उठ के दे आर ओवर एक्साइटेड एंड दे आर डूइंग हाइपर एक्टिविटी. लाइक घर में हीट भी कर रहे हैं, हाई इंटेंसिटी वर्कआउट है, और जब भी टाइम मिलेगा तभी स्टेयर्स को अप एंड डाउन कर रहे हैं. So don't overdo of anything. I'm not a fitness trainer, but I've of course through Amit's from his knowledge I have understood this. कि every person even has a different fitness regime का requirement. So know
Okay.
that requirement. आपको cardio की जरूरत है, कि आपको weight training की जरूरत है. Accordingly formulate a regime for yourself. Follow that constantly and good rest. तो ये 3 चीज आप करेंगे तो definitely you will be fitter.
Superb. And on that note, Anuja, there were a lot of more questions which are flooding, but then I hear take a stop. And they'll say thank you for coming in and telling us such a great tip. Don't forget to share that Chirayu's top 10 fitness things, right?
Definitely.
So that we can
Definitely.
follow. And I would definitely try to bring in Anuja again with her secret recipes so that we learn a lot from
Definitely.
her. Yeah.
Yes, we can do that.
And work pressure hampers health. Yes, it does. If you are taking the
Yes.
pressure of it, I believe I'm just answering on behalf of Anuja. Group
Yes, yes.
photograph, as far as the ritual of Cosmic and NHRD goes,
Oh wow,
request
that's great.
everyone to please put on your videos immediately. I have such a great participants. They are there with us from last week. तो उन्हें पता है क्या
Oh.
करना है.
Oh, that's great.
Yeah, yeah. Hi Pankaj ji. Milind sir aa gaye. Lovely.
I
Okay.
can't see anybody.
You can't see anyone? Why?
No,
So
no,
ये
I
जिस
can't see
अमित की
anybody.
बात कर रही थी इतनी देर से, let me show Amit to everyone. अमित क्या कर लिया यार खुद को?
Quarantine. Look.
You're growing old by being quarantine, honey.
Old is gold.
उसने बंद कर दिया. Amit, you are still looking handsome, dude. Get on your video.
I cannot see everyone. I cannot see anybody.
Why?
Is there
You all
anything
can
that
see
I
each
need
other,
to?
right? Guys, you can see.
Ma'am, are you on phone?
No, I can see everyone,
Yeah.
but when will we
Yeah,
get
yeah.
the peak?
चालू किया लाइट वीडियो चालू किया हाँ
Ma'am, another 10 seconds में सबका video on हो जाएगा, and then Vidhi will be the instructor as always. समीर, अगर आप थोड़ा आगे आ जाएंगे तो आपका flash affect नहीं करेगा आपके picture को. Jasmine, please put on your video, yeah. guys, I'm repeating while everybody is starting that don't forget to join us tomorrow with Mr. Arun Chitlangia, who is going to talk to you about the increasing expectations professionally, personally these days. And he's going to definitely give us some highlights on how are you going to manage the expectations which are growing day by day. Yeah. So see you tomorrow at 7. VD, please take picture. 3, 2, 1 बोल दिया कर यार. People are not ready.
3, 2, 1, ready, everyone?
Yes.
ऑफिस बड़ा आता है ना.
One
Guys,
more,
don't forget to
please.
join us tomorrow, and next week onwards, we are starting with focused learning program. So please start registering yourself. We are going to tomorrow announce the topics of focused learning program, right? Thank you so much for joining us today.
Thanks a lot,
And signing
Sophia.
off.
Thank you. Very nice. Very nice.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you. Thank you.
Stay fit, eat right, stay at home.
Thank you, ma'am.
All right, I'm ending the meeting. Thank you, guys. See you.